Antonov, take extreme caution transporting this fighter fleet. They're crucial for military operations.
Don't worry, Tower. I once transported entire army in Blizzard.
Last time you said don't worry, 3 aircraft ended up in the ocean.
Anatoly, where are you heading on our anniversary?
It's just quick military delivery for Eagle Force. Very crucial work for America.
Crucial work? I've been cooking all morning. Come back now or sleep on couch for 6 months.
Antonov, do not turn around. The military needs those fighters immediately.
Sorry, Tower. I'm returning home. Angry wife is scarier than any enemy missiles.
Tower, how long until these jets arrive?